Hey guys, welcome. This is Robert from Heltons Computer Repair, and basically I'm going to be telling you a little feature about Windows Firewall notifications. So by default, you do know that you usually get notified on Windows Firewall when it blocks a new app, and it probably looks something similar like this. It could be different apps right here, but you get the point. It's basically sometimes a pain in the butt. And basically what it's telling you is that a new app will have access for that new features if you like it, depending on for your networks. It's sometimes a pain in the butt, but it's an option that you can turn off. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. Now your first option would be going into Control Panel. I do miss that we had the option in the past that you could have Control Panel by right clicking, but sadly that's not there. So instead I'm going to go ahead and search it right here. And you're going to type in Control Panel. You see it already came up by head, but if not, type in the whole thing. Once you get to there, it should look like this. If you have the old layout, it'll be even easier. You'll just select Windows Defender Firewall. But this is what I have right here. From there, you would select the System and Security. And then from there, you'll see Windows Defender Firewall. And to prevent from that notification coming up, all you have to do is once you get to here, you'll see where it says Change Notification Settings. Go ahead and select it. And where it says notify me when Windows Defender Firewall blocks a new app, you would just have to turn that feature off. Now you do have options right here. You can turn off the Windows Defender Firewall. You know that's kind of dangerous and not recommended. So that's a choice that you want to put. But as you notice, I turned off the notifications there. If it already comes up to a point that you have an app that's not going through, then you might need to check your Windows Defender Firewall. But this is basically how you turn that feature off, and you'll then press OK. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put that feature back on there just to show you the other half on the other options. So the option is pretty simple. This one's going to be going on to basically Windows Defender Security Center. So you can type it in right here. Windows Defender Security. Let's see, I'm already misspelling that. You already see it, Windows Security Center. You probably just only have to type in Windows Defender and it could appear somewhere there, but here it came up for me. Once you get to there, you'll see a selection that says the Firewall and Network Protection. Go ahead and select to that. From there, on the bottom, you'll see the Firewall Notification Settings. You can select that. Now on this feature, you have the option we want to just turn off for domain firewalls, private or public network. Basically public firewall, sorry, I don't know why I said network. Basically you can choose them manually. I'm just going to show you can turn them all off. And they will probably prompt you for this. If it comes up, go ahead and press yes. And it's pretty much that simple. Now it comes in any way that you decide to put it back. Same way, you just turn it back on, press yes, and that should be good. But that's basically pretty much it. Thank you for watching from Heltons Computer Repair, and I'll see you on our next video.